In today's video, I want to show you this strategy with just two indicators. It is so easiest strategy, but it has some details that you need to know for understand this strategy well. Without further ado, let's see how we add these indicators to our chart. First, to find the first indicator, we go to the Indicators tab and write Simple Moving Average Trend Filter Indicator. We add this indicator to our chart and go to the settings. We make it 21, 13 and 6, and style section we untick these 3 ticks and we make it below bar and this above bar. As you can see here, first indicator gives buy sell signals, but we need to confirmation indicator for filter out some signals. We have here trend indicator, moving average. To find this indicator, we write here moving average, exponential indicator. We add this indicator to our chart and we are on 5-minute time frame. For this we use it like 20, and style section we make it bolder type, and I prefer to use this white color. Let's see how we get buy signals. As you can see here, first indicator gives buy sell signals. We will look at buy positions when this candle closes above this moving average, and we are looking for short signals when this candle closes below this moving average. So we get here buy signals and this candle closes above this moving average. I put here buy position when this candle closes, and where we put this stop, we put the stop below this swing low and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. For short signal, first we need to get this purple sell label, and then this candle should forms below this moving average. When this candle forms, I put here sell position. I put this stop swing high, and stop distance shouldn't be so high, so we can make it a little bit little and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. It is successful signal. Actually, we don't need to look at the signals inside of this position, but I can say that we have here one stopped position because it's above this moving average, and then we get here sell signals below this moving average. I put here sell position. I put this stop here, stop distance as well, and we have here successful signals. As you can see here, we have 3 successful signals and 1 stopped positions yet, and then we get here sell signals below this moving average. As you can see here, all conditions placed. I put here sell position, I put this stop swing high, and stop distance is well, and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or 2. Again, we have here one stopped position, and then we have here successful short position because it's below this moving average. I put this stop here. As you can see here, in this period we have 2 successful signals and 1 stopped position. Then we get here short signal below this moving average. I put here sell position. I put this stop swing high and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5, or we can hold this position to the next liquidity zones, but it will be so risky positions. It will be so hard. Then we get here buy signals, and actually I can say that you don't need to enter positions when you get the sell signals. For example, you got your sell signal and you shouldn't look at the signals inside of this position, but individually it has stopped position, stopped the buy signal, and then we get here successful short signal. As you can see here, it is also successful, and we have here 1 stopped buy signal. As you can see here, we are profitable. In this period we have 2 successful signals, 1 stopped position. Then we get here buy signals. Actually, for avoid these signals, we can make this moving average 30 or 50, but it will filters also successful signals. So if you want, you can do it, but I don't want to it like this. So we have here 1 stopped buy signal, and then we have here 1 successful short signal. As you can see here, it also gives 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Then we get here long signal, and it's the last signal that indicator has given. I put here buy signal. I put this stop here. Stop distance is so high now. I make stop here. It is successful signal, as you can see here, but I want to show you some signals more. As you can see here, we have here short signal. We have here one stop to buy position. I write here minus, I write here plus. As you can see here, this candle closed below this moving average and we get here sell signal. I put this stop here and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2 or to the next liquidity zones. Then we get here long signal. It's important. I put here buy position. This candle closes, as you can see, above this moving average, but I can't put this stop here. You can see that this distance is so high. This stop distance should be like this. So I put this stop below this candle. It will be initiative stop distance and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. It is successful signal. Inside of this signal we have here one more successful buy signal. It is successful signal. Inside of this period we have one stop position. I write here plus, minus and plus. In this period we have 3 successful signals and 2 stopped position. As you can see here, overall view of these indicators signal. You can look at these signals now. As you can see here, there is also successful signal, there is also stopped position, there is successful signal, there is successful signals. As I said earlier, we have here 3 stopped position, but if you want you can make it 30 to filter these false signals. As you can see here, now we have here 1, 2, 3 successful signal and just 1 stopped position. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comments. See you guys in the next video.